It is true that intimate relationships provide the greatest pleasure, but besides that, they have a significant impact on our health, especially for women. Many experts point out that the absence of intimate relations can lead to certain consequences for both mental and physical health. Read below to find out what long-term abstinence can do to your body. Loss of libido. If you keep all your desire for sex to yourself and do nothing about it, over time it will disappear. If you are in a relationship, this can develop into a bigger problem that can only be solved through conversation. There's no cure for reduced libido or specific vitamins that can fix it, only discussion and goodwill. Decreased vaginal lubrication. This phenomenon applies to older women who, over the years, due to a lack of estrogen, lose lubrication and experience thinning of the vaginal walls. Women in their 20s and 30s do not have these problems, and these issues tend to occur with age. Relaxation of vaginal walls. This also applies to older women and those entering menopause. If they do not have regular sex, each subsequent attempt can be very painful. If older women do not have regular sexual activity, the vaginal walls relax, and if they decide to engage in sex again, it can be very painful, notes Dr. Sari Cooper, a sex therapist. More painful menstruation. Regular sexual activity reduces menstrual pain, and when it stops, menstruation and associated pain worsen. The sex therapist explains that when a woman reaches orgasm, she actually experiences contractions of the uterus, which leads to a faster and greater expulsion of blood. This also results in increased endorphin levels, helping with menstrual cramps. Despite all the negative effects on the overall organism, there is one positive aspect: a lower risk of sexually transmitted diseases. The therapist emphasizes that not only does the risk of contracting sexually transmitted infections decrease, but also the risk of urinary tract infections. Sexual activity is a cause of increased risk of urinary tract infections, explains Dr. Straher. Most urinary infections occur shortly after intercourse and can be extremely painful and difficult to treat, which can significantly affect your quality of life.